welcome back to the channel, guys. So today Dad is out with the mower again in the top of the top field. He's not doing the whole thing, he's just doing a part of it. I've come up on the quad. Let's go see what he's doing. Okay, so we are a little bit off centre. We're going to go with the quad footage, something different. Quad bike.
If I make it back home, I'm just stuck here in a dream. At the bottom of the ocean, I'm at the bottom of the sea.
just to show you guys how I'm recording this, I'm currently on the quad chasing him around. So it's quite fun actually, it's different, it's quite unique, different way of recording. Right, so guys, what do you think on that then? Drop me a comment down below on the quad footage. That is totally different for me. Never done that before. Well, first few times driving the quad really. So yeah, hit me in the comments what you think of some quad footage. That's quite unique and different. And now I'm going to move on to a couple of clips, just some of the more normal camera angles. I haven't got the drone up with me. Obviously I've been using it today, so it's recharging its batteries. So let's get a few more clips and then we'll call it a day. Two red kites, one over there, one over that way. Lovely birds, red kites, absolutely lovely birds. Three, there he is. We haven't seen the three since last time we made hay. We have not seen three since we last made hay. So he's done around a quarter of the top. So he's got to come through there and over there. He's starting to work on this section and then he'll work his way back into the middle section. So about another 25 minutes and I reckon he'll have that done. You know what that means. Unfortunately guys, I'm not going to be up here in 25. So I will be ending the video in a second. There's a red kite literally hovering just over there. He's so close. Such beautiful birds. I am going to leave this video here. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell for notifications of our journey here. If you want to see more videos like this, come and join us, have a look, see what you think. I'm pretty sure you'll want to come and see us bagging this in about 4 or 5 days roughly. So thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in our next video. Take care.